This 2021 Coachman Freedom Express Liberty Edition 326 BHDSLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used coachman is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 9, DVD player, smoke detector, awning, skylight, CO detector, stove top burner, air conditioning, slideout, LP detector, spare tire kit, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Coachman Freedom Express Liberty Edition 326 BHDSLE is 8,094 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.